Use market expansion to supersize and grow your business. Welcome to number 7 in our top 10, our top 20 strategies to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And I decided that this year we were going to start out talking about some of the business strategies that I have found to be the most successful when it comes to growing and building and supersizing your business. So I just made a list of my top 20. And then I thought, okay, some of these strategies are really, really complicated. It can be really hard to implement. They can be so daunting that you wouldn't even try them for your business. But if we were to break them down into 4 simple steps that anybody could apply to test and then tweak if they decide to go forward with the strategy, they can find out quickly and easily. You can find out quickly and easily if it would be a strategy that would work for your business and to help it grow or not. So today we're talking about number 7 in my top 20, and that is market expansion. And the 4 steps for market expansion are, of course, market research, adaptation or localization. 3, an entry strategy. What's your entry strategy going to be for this particular market expansion? And 4th, continuous evaluation. What do each of these mean? Market research, pretty clear, right? You got to find out what people want, identify potential new markets, where you could go, if they're worth jumping into or not, but based on demographics, based on trends and competition and what's out there and where you could fit in the market, that'll help you decide which markets that you might want to expand into first, right? We want to go with the low-hanging fruit and go with the markets that are going to give us the best potential to positively impact our bottom line quickly and easily so that we have more resources to expand into other markets as they become more viable. Second, adaptation and localization. We want to make sure that we're tailoring our products and services to the niche, the market, the local area, and those specific customers, and that it fits the new market, right? We don't go into different markets, especially when we're entering different countries in the world, without first understanding, number 1, our terminology and our name of things. There's so many horror stories about companies that have expanded into other countries, not realizing that the name of their company was something really offensive in the new or obscene in the new country. Then thirdly, after we decide we're going to do that, we've got our localization, we've done our market research. We want to decide, how are we going to enter that market? How are we going to, what's the best method for us to do that? Nowadays, with the internet and with online businesses, probably the quickest and easiest way to test markets and enter markets is through some kind of an online presence in different areas and in different markets. We can use all kinds of different strategies to do that as well. And finally, continuous evaluation. We want to monitor the market. We want to monitor our performance in that market and then adapt strategies as needed to optimize our growth and our results. And maybe it's a no-go market for us. Maybe we find out that we go into a market, we've done all of our research, we've got a great entry point, but we realize that we, for some reason, don't necessarily fit, or what our offer isn't the perfect fit yet, and so we can tweak it and change it and make it viable, or we decide that we're going to go another direction. So that is our 7th strategy today, market expansion. It's like taking your show on the road, and when you're successful in one market, you move to another market. It's like restaurants or franchising or any business that franchises. You get a successful business model, and then you duplicate it over and over and over again in different markets, or in different physical markets or locations, or to different groups of people that could use your products and services. Love to know if you've used this particular strategy to grow and supersize your business. Share your lessons learned in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another 4-step top strategy and the number 8 in our top 20. I'd love to know your take on these strategies, if you've used them, if you haven't. I've been meaning to share more stories about how I haven't used these, but I keep forgetting. It's because my head's still COVID foggy. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.